Kofi Dela is on the line. Kofi. Mama Nkrofo nyam. Ma bie say Kofi ni na bie. Na the simple question is mo come mpanifo a enra mo go through the market. Una ma say wo twen na wo twen table bi wo ho no. Ewa wo de mi hu a me hu. Enra na wo katimi ho, right?
Na betan.
Nti dia na course. Wo ye dwadini wo ho. Wo kan adwadifo ndano na no mpanifo no kan wo bi. Enra dia na course wo dwani mu no.
Okay, me that's me share with you on the page. Now the course is around between 9 and 10 and I'm here in the team. The first point of call was the fire service office. If you want to call, maybe a janitor the last time. And we were starting almost 30 shops and say more other chemicals. You can say the phone be a no maybe over the weekend. Or maybe that's what mechanics will do first floor, maybe back one day, no say, to the shop. The cars will be in the shop, I say no reluctant. Maybe shop no realize maybe. No one knows who you need. The name per crown at the gun answer, and that's what shop. It is quickly number or say, on my instruction, your money immediately. And of course, shop by shop. It didn't be free, so you didn't be the more money than you bet. So the mayor to explain to them, say, and car say, intimate from Sadia. Say, Gawin, or say, at the end, the intimate tone of Gawin. Now, I bet the before Eddie Mom. As you speak, and now before the mayor is freaking Kejetia. Only a movie that when it happened, the question, Eddie could say, quickly, a movie terminano, or sending Saka. And then you say, and only a movie terminator. Now, you already are city items of the local race course, where there's a lot of ventilation, there's a lot of airflow in there. If you nominate and I know the kind of money I could make, you have to report what you may do a moko, or honey. This is how we go through containers now. Mayor Casa, or not take for Ayama, and we stop near Mano. Any regulations, said of me, say, I first will do with our race course. Yes, or Moko race course, I don't know. We could James Anna Uvia the Ope. Now, also, another danger zone. Or see an interview for finance, or Moko also know. In my brain, idea to a cream, I said, Bear, or will do your home, anything called to trade to other traders around there. Meaning, I know, see, yes, uncle community. Now, finally, any assembly musical say, and you'll be out on products will be around the CBD. We need to move to that point. Where Uncle Ban said, many customer ever so far there because of mimicking it inside no. Or they have access to it have for things are products in the CBD. Now I'm a job for now you could be a risk of on I call it a dead market. It's going for Sunny man but you know the phone so if you are Makuma Ostro, it didn't to force there be a debate you know. Friend a vessel of say sa mindset will move from it because yes, I know. Never see an ever only 90 wonder. A bear continuous. When you just need a bear also engineer management continuously on one snap checks in every shop in Kejetia. Now, near my fine fair, you did back gunning. I ain't danger Jano, and my ya can you now. You didn't make it of a macking in the home because you are young, sir. The John, Kejetia, and idea.
Oh, okay, Kofi, we understand, but question Nrana Ebinum Subusan say, sa arrangement, you know, Nanka ain't me my time to do that arrangement. We are because they say where they are sending the chemicals to know. So you
Sir John, the matter of endangering the market at this point in time, and now pulling the brakes for now and allow some small time in between to get things reset. So, okay, there were 3 weeks ago. Time I that could pay more extension container being on Sunday, you know. Quickly, fast as the statement by Sani Mano. When an claim if you do more. Sometimes they both the phone man, you say, let her into they should start the process of getting the things out. na yen nyina ye twen say by the end of February no na ya go through that process no and eja for some buy. The question is say you see ye ma time na even say you say no ano ye ma mo time okay mo dey ye preparation na ka ye so ya no pay and eja to ejomo because of this product and eja no ye on a larger scale asema na yen nyina e beka. And the danger that those products are posing to the market, because only a jar 8 I see a Jomonoma, 6 or 7 are as a result of this product. That is a fact. The biggest market in Kejetia, or the biggest fire in Kejetia, 15th March. No. These products were the underlying factors. And to your good point here, you for identity of Gobium. After products no air ball a Janoko. Minyame we quickly we have to put the brakes. Now last week Friday me catch me no get the phone on tons and man say this is not the point say any before country say you be penny quickly let all emotions calm down get to inform by to him and abodi eko so that when am see any free job honum quickly baby amodi eko mo en ko jo mo en set up maximum within a week or 2, we should finish setting those places up so that they continue their business. But it's 1 week, 2 weeks, we can't say they make Janoso. So when you want to make Janum, the danger that is being posed to the market, you and I, we do not know when the fire will come again. And not know what level of fire may take you. If you are not better, so Janube have a ship, they are close to Jano. Now, because of the trade of about 200, 500 traders, over 6,000 plus traders are supposed to go and stay in the house. You cannot gamble with that. So now,
yes, but more as a judifo no more penny for Jenimuno. More interest I was at mu and say baby you don't beko.
And said a very conducive about
how far with that Sana Montona Mumpany for more today boom?
And I know I'm quickly a bopping mayor no see opposite no data because maybe I don't more the risk course. In your data no and let's see how to set up that place for them. So no one leader back could do kobo. So quickly on my data no pay also the data or the data in a bar. Yen na ebe kan we yen nya almost omun kwa na enko particularly your mun tie sade is very well say ye ja almost mun kwa mun mpanyifo nkodi nkomo no da bi yen na na ye ka mo ho yen say na KMA mpanyifo akotena se ebi nkomo no yen ko ye be odi omoko how you arranging them ye wi a requirements no omo for so ndi omo niam no di omu dwa no ho nom and the last one enu de nya yen pa say omo di sai dwani bibia nti se se dey mo market hu nya mpaboa na no so kan e so ni Evans o kokoto nya mama nti so nya gaje nya ma we a nya so o nya bi okumasi ba bia ti do ko mo market e di do ko on me koto sa product no enu ene e pesa assembly no ye ma omo ye ma we at least omo business are getting back online and we are all happy
enti no amu explosives be free dwanim.
Yes. And we didn't on Saturday, Sunday, and I know some more course we and still the management and fire we have to keep on going around to make sure nobody brings that in either under any hidden guys.
And in your shop will be the entire shop on no emuno chemicals here explosives here.
Let us be a while. It must all bear 3 shops that end of the display or the products you do.
Okay. Nti no mo be di akire o de ma
ye be di akire and ye nka say ye twin so fi say but we cannot wait for the next fire because of these chemicals. So you know something as you may so e just want to go more the chemicals we are we've all failed. We have no business calling ourselves leaders. We have no business calling ourselves any authority over anybody.
Kofi me da say mama fa wonsia. I was for a friend Rubina me